Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of you have been asking me about. How long does it take for Novo to deposit money? I know that this is a really important question, especially if you're using Novo to run your business. After all, you need to be able to access your money quickly and easily. So, let's get started. What is Novo? Before we get into the nitty-gritty of how long it takes for Novo to deposit money, let's take a quick look at what Novo is. Novo is a fintech company that offers business banking services. They provide a variety of features, including free checking and savings accounts, no minimum balance requirements, early direct deposit, 24/7 customer support, and more. Novo is a great option for small businesses and freelancers. They offer a variety of features that are designed to make your life easier. How long does it take for Novo to deposit money? Now, let's get to the question you're all here for. How long does it take for Novo to deposit money? The answer to this question depends on a few factors, including the type of deposit, the source of the deposit, the time of day that you make the deposit. Here's a breakdown of the different types of deposits and how long it takes for them to clear. ACH transfers, 1 to 3 business days. Wire transfers, 1 to 2 business days. Mobile check deposits, 1 to 3 business days. Cash deposits, 1 to 2 business days. The source of the deposit can also affect how long it takes for the money to clear. If the deposit is coming from another Novo account, it will clear immediately. If the deposit is coming from another bank account, it may take longer. The time of day that you make the deposit can also affect how long it takes for the money to clear. If you make a deposit before 2 p.m., it will typically clear the next day. If you make a deposit after 2 p.m., it will typically clear the day after that. Here are some additional things to keep in mind. If you're making a deposit from another bank account, you may need to provide additional information, such as the account number and routing number. If you're making a cash deposit, you will need to go to a participating ATM or bank branch. Novo does not charge any fees for deposits. Overall, it typically takes 1 to 3 business days for Novo to deposit money. However, there may be some delays depending on the type of deposit, the source of the deposit, and the time of day that you make the deposit. Tips for speeding up the deposit process. If you're impatient to get your money, there are a few things you can do to speed up the deposit process. Make your deposit before 2 p.m. Use a direct deposit. Make sure that the information on your deposit form is correct. Contact Novo customer support if you have any questions. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Novo, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're looking for a great business banking account, I highly recommend checking out Novo. They offer a variety of features that are designed to make your life easier. Thanks for watching.